Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us do the part 4 of the same topic, that is the factorization. So from this one we have already done in the previous video. You can see that is inning 7.3 first 3 questions. We'll start with question number 4. So here factorize the given expressions and you have to divide them. So now see here 25 x square minus y square by 5x plus y. So same thing is written in this way. This is division. So first we have to factorize. So what will you do? This 25 you will write as it is. So this is in the form of a square minus b square. So you know a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. So this is x. So this will be x plus y and x minus y. So this is a plus b and this will be a minus b. And the denominator the same. So now since this is multiplication, so what happens here? This and this gets cut. 5 ones are and 5 fives are. So remaining is 5 and this is x minus 5. So this is the answer. Now let us see for this part. So same thing is written over here. So what we can see, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So this is, c means the constant without a variable. So we can first rearrange this expression. So we can write here 25y square plus 40y plus 16 and the denominator the same. So now what we can see here, this also is a perfect square as well as this also is a perfect square. So we can write here this 25y square, that is going to be 5y plus sign, and this will be 4 4s are 16. So plus 4. So this is in the form of now a plus b whole bracket square. So you know the formula for a plus b whole bracket square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now when you expand this one, that is going to be, this is a, this is b. So 5y square, that is going to be 25y square plus 2 into 5y into 4, that is 2ab. So this is going to be 10 4s are 40, and this is y. So this is plus 40y plus b square. So 4 square, that is going to be 16. So this is just for your understanding. So now, so same thing, we can write this one 2 times in brackets and the denominator the same. So this and this gets cancelled. So the answer is 5y plus 4. Now here again, this is written in the, it's the same. Now we are going to, we can see this expression, we can take 3 common from here. So after taking 3 common, here is 3x square. What remains here is 3x square plus this will be 7x, means this is going to be 21x. This is minus, so minus 18 3s are 54. So now the denominator the same. So this and this gets cancelled. So now again we can see here this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So we are going to factorize it. So now see here, this is the first term, the middle term and the last term. So whenever we factorize it, we take the first term coefficient and the last term. So 1 into 18, that is going to be 18. So this 18 should be, we have to take the factors of 18 and we have to adjust the middle term. See now here, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are and 3 1s are. So this, the middle term is plus 7. So how will you get plus 7? So this will be 9. You have to see the factors. From there you have to adjust 2 numbers. So here 9 and this is 2. So we want plus 7, plus 9 and minus 2, that is going to be plus 7. So same thing, it is divided into 2. So plus 9 minus 2x. And the other things are going to be the same. And here remains is just x minus 2. So now what we can see, we are going to group it. From here, from the first group, we get x common. So remains in the bracket is x plus 9. Minus sign, so minus here. From here, 2 is common. So remains is x. See here, this is minus, so minus and plus. So here should be plus and 9. And one thing, as I told earlier also in the other videos, you can see this, both the brackets should be same. If that is not coming same, means you have done some mistake. So now the denominator same. So this, from this one we can just write once, and now is x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. So here, so this is the answer. Now here we have to divide this one by this. So same thing is written here. So now what you can see, this is in the form of a square minus b square, because this is 5 square. And again here also it is in the form of a square minus b square. So this is going to be 4 square. So what you can write here, this will be a square minus b square means a plus b and a minus b. So what is a here? This will be x square, and this is going to be 5 square. So a is here x and b is 5. So you can write here, this is a plus b and this is a minus b. Same here, this will be y square minus 4 square. So a is y and b is 4. So a plus b and a minus b. The denominator the same. So now this and this gets cancelled, this and this gets cancelled. So remaining is this, so this is the answer. Now again here, same thing is written over here. So now what we can do here, 5 ones are, 5 threes are, b and b gets cancelled. So what remains here is minus 3a. And here what we can see now, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So what we do here, we look at the coefficient. This is the first term, the middle term and the last term. So here is 1. So 1 into 81. So we have to take the factors of 81 in such a way that the middle term we should get minus 18. So here 81 means it is going to be 3 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. So we need here minus 18. So this 9 and 9. So it should be minus 9 minus 9. So that should be minus 18. So can you see here? This will be the same for this one. This is split into 2. Minus 9a, and this is going to be the same. And here in the denominator, now remains is just a minus 9. So this is the same. Now we are going to group it into 2. From the first part, a is common. Then remains is a minus 9. This is minus here. Second part, 9 remains, and this common is 9, and we can write here this plus means this should be minus and minus becomes plus. So now you can see the both the brackets are same. The denominator right same here. So this one, the bracket, you have to write it only once. This is written only once, and here outside that is a minus 9, and the denominator is a minus 9. So this will be the same. So this and this gets cancelled. So here this is the answer. Now here again here. So now what we can say here, x and x gets cancelled. So here 27y, and this is 4. So now this is in the form of, where we can, otherwise you can do one thing, we can take 4 common from here, and then remains in the bracket is x square minus 9, because 9 4s are 36y square. So here denominator, this x is gone, so in the denominator only x 4 remains, and this is the same. So 27y. Now see here, this is again in the form of a square minus b square. So this will be x square minus 3y square. So this is a and this is b. So this is a plus b and a minus b. Because a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. And the denominator is, here now what happens, 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So we just write, we can write here. So this and this gets cancelled. So here 27y, and this will be x minus 3y. Now here again the same thing is written here. So this and this gets cancelled. 4 1s are, 4 2s are. So we can write this in the numerator, and this is going to be 6a minus 16, because 2 is remaining here. So 6a minus 16. So now from this one we will take 2 common. So remaining here is 9a square minus 64. Again from here we can take 2 common. So here remains in the bracket is 3a minus 8. So now this 2 gets cancelled. So now see here, this is in the form of a square minus b square. So now a is 3a and then square of it minus 8 square. So a is 3a and b is 8. So this is a plus b and this is a minus b. So 3a plus 8 and 3a minus 8. And this is the same. So this and this gets cancelled. So this is the answer. Now again here, so what we can see here, this is in the form of a square minus this is b square. So 16 into 16, that is going to be 256. So this will be a plus b and a minus b, because here 16 square minus here x square square. So here b is x square. So now this x plus 4 as it is. So now here again what we can do, this 16 plus x square, let us keep as it is. But now this part, again it is in the form of a square minus b square. So before that what we can do, we can bring this x over here and y, this one, the 16 over here. So that is minus x square plus 16. So we can take minus common and x square. So plus 16 means minus and minus becomes plus. So this is minus and x square minus 16. So now this is easy because here was minus here. So now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So this part the same. Now this minus is here and here this is again in the form of a square minus b square. So that is going to be x square minus 4 square. So that will be a plus b and a minus b. So this and this gets cancelled. So here this one 16 plus x square can be also written as x square plus 16. Minus is here, minus, and this is x minus 4. So you can write here if you want separately minus and x minus 4. That is going to be minus x plus 4, minus x plus 4. So this is here. So here x square plus 16, and this can be also written as 4 minus x. Or we can keep minus x plus 4. Both is the same. Now here again, so now this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So now look at the coefficient first and the last term. So this will be 32. So we have to take the factors of 32 in such a way that we get minus 18. Now see here, let us take the factors of 32. 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. So we need 18. So what we can do here, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 and this 2. So it should be minus 16 minus 2 because we want minus 18. So now this p square as it is. So now see this is split into 2, minus 16p minus 2p, and this is 32. And the denominator is the same. So now we are going to group it. So in the first group you can see p is common. So p minus 6 remains in the bracket. This is minus. In the second one 2 is common. So what remains in the bracket is minus here. So minus and minus becomes here plus. So this is 32. And this will be the same. So here it is going to be p minus 16 and here is p minus 2 divided by p minus 16. So this and this gets cancelled. So this is p minus 2. Now look at here. So we have to, this is the here. So now this will be a square minus b square. So this will be 7x whole bracket square minus 9 by 2 whole bracket square. So now we can write here a plus b, this is a, this is b, and this is again a minus b. The denominator the same. So here this and this gets cancelled. So remaining here is 7x minus 9 by 2. Now here they said divide the following using long division. So important, you have to divide by long division and not by any other method and check your answer. So now see here, this is the expression, you have to divide by this one. So here this thing can be also written as 5x minus 2. So now see here, you know this is the dividend. This is the divisor. This is the quotient. And this is the remainder. So you have the formula, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This you should know. So now let us see first. This is the dividend and this is the divisor. So you will take the first term of it. So now what will you do? Now see, this is, we can do it separately. This is 15x square and this is 5x. So you can do your 15x square and this is 5x divided by 5x. So what you can get here, 5 ones are 5 threes are. And from this 1x gets kept. So remaining just 1x. So what we can write here, 3x. So this into this is going to be, this will be 3x. So you get 15x square. Now see here, this minus 3x. Now see here, you got here 3x and this is minus 2. So now look at here. So you are going to multiply this and this again. So this is going to be minus 6x. So now you'll do one thing, otherwise you can do like this. Once you get this 3x, first you are just going to look at the first term of both one. So you got 3x and now you are going to multiply again for this as well. So you will just check here into 3x. So this is going to be, you're going to multiply this one, that will be minus 6x. When you multiply this one, that is going to be 15x squared. So this and this is the same. So now what will you do? This actually here is plus. So you have to change the sign. So you have to write plus will become minus. And since here is minus, that is going to be plus. So that will be the opposite sign. So now why did we do this one? So here plus, and now you have to look at these are the new signs. So you have to ignore the previous sign. So this and this gets cut, plus and minus. So now see here, we are going to look at the new sign. So plus 6x plus 34x. So that is going to be 40x. And this one we'll take down. So now you are going to look at this term and again for this one. So that will be 40x divided by 5x. So that will be this x and x gets cut. And this is going to be 8. But here what is the sign? This is plus. So now same thing, whatever is here, you will write here. And you are going to write this 8. So this one will be 40x. And now again, what are you going to do for this as well? You are going to multiply this one. That will be minus 16. So now again, if you want, I'll check here. 5x minus 2 into 8. That is going to be minus 16. And this is going to be 40x. So now here again, this is plus. So this will be minus, minus, so plus. So this also gets cancelled. This also gets cancelled. The remainder is 0. So now this is the quotient. So now what did they say? Check your answer. So how are you going to check the answer? To check, as I said earlier, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So now let us take this RHS. RHS means, what is that? Divisor. This is the divisor. Then quotient. Quotient is this one. Plus the remainder is 0. So when you multiply, when you expand this into this, that is 15x square. This into this, that is going to be 40x plus 40x. This into this, that is going to be minus 6x. And this into this, that is going to be minus 16. So now you can see these are the like terms. So this will be as it is, plus 40 minus 6, because both are x. So that is going to be plus 34x. And this minus 16. And you can see this one, this is nothing but the dividend. So this is the dividend, and which is this is the left hand side. So that is, this check means that is said, hence verified. Now look at here. So now this is just rearrange. That is because this is the square term. So that is taken at the start. So 4y square minus 15y plus 9. And here y minus 3. Now again we will look at the first term of it. That will 4y square divided by y. So what happens here? This one gets cancelled. So what remains is just 4y. So this is here 4y. And now what are you going to do? This and this is gone. That is 4y square. And now you are going to look this and this. That is going to be minus 12y. So what happens here? Plus. So this is going to be minus. This minus becomes plus. So this gets cancelled. So now look at the new sign. So minus 15 plus 12. So that is going to be minus 15 plus 12. That is going to be minus 3. So this is going to be minus 3y. And this is plus 9. So now this is minus. So you are going to take here minus. Now look at here first. This will be 3y and this is y. Again the first term of it, minus 3y, or you can write it and y. So this and this gets cancelled. So this is minus 3. Or you can also write this minus and then just write 3. instead of taking here minus. So now this and this is done, that is minus 3y, and this, that is going to be plus 9. So this is plus 9. So again I will show you this one, how to do it. Y minus 3 into minus 3. So that is going to be 9, and this is going to be minus 3, 9. So minus minus becomes plus. So this is the way. So minus here we have to change the sign, plus minus. So here minus 3y plus 3y, that is going to get cancelled, plus 9, and this is going to be, you have to look at the new sign, minus 9, that is going to get cancelled. So the remainder is 0. So again the dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So RHS is what? Divisor is this, quotient is this one, and the remainder is 0. So here we are going to expand it, 4y square minus 3y minus 12y and plus 9. So now these are the like terms. So this will be 4y square minus 3 minus 12 is going to be minus 15y plus 9. So that is the dividend. So that this is the LHS. So hence it is verified. Now again for this one, so this is the dividend and this is the divisor. So now look at the first term. So 12a cube divided by 3a, 3 ones are 3 fours are. From here 1 gets cancelled, so this becomes 2. That will be a square, for 4a square. So this is here. So now for this one, 4 into this will be 12a cube. And then again for this, we have to multiply this with this. So that is going to be 4a square along with the sign, plus 4a square. So now this is plus, so this gets minus, plus, so this will be minus, plus, and this minus gets cancelled. So now you have to look at the new sign, minus 2a square minus 4a square, means minus 2 minus 4, that is going to be minus 6a square. This a down. So now look at here, this minus is there, you will write here minus 6a square and this 3a, 6a square and 3a. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So this gets cancelled, only a1 remains. So what will be that? 2a. This is 2a. So this into this is going to be what? Minus 6a square. Now this into this is going to be what? So here 2a minus 2 minus 2a. So see here 3a plus 1 minus 2a. So when you multiply this into this, minus 2a, and this is going to be minus 6a square. So minus here, this is minus. So minus becomes plus and minus becomes plus. So minus 6a square plus 6a square, this gets cancelled. Plus a plus 2a, that is going to be 3a, and this is going to be 1. So now what you can do here, again this is 3a, this also is 3a, so 3a divided by 3a, so this is going to be 1. So what will you write here? 3a plus 1, so plus 1, that it will be the same. So now here plus becomes minus, so plus 3a minus 3a, this gets cancelled, plus 1 minus 1, this gets cancelled. So answer is 0. So again dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So RHS divisor, that is 3a plus 1. Quotient is 4a square minus 2a plus 1. And the remainder is, yeah, you can also write 0 if you want. So this into this is going to be 12a cube. So here will be minus 6a square, because here there are 3 terms. And this will be again 3a into 1, that is going to be 3a. So this one is for this part. Now we will see for the, this into this is going to be plus 4a square. So this is here. This into this is 1 into minus 2a, that will give minus 2a. This is here. And here plus 1. So this is here. So now let us take the like terms. 12a cube is here. Minus 6a square plus 4a square, that is taken together. Minus plus 3a minus 2a, that is taken together. And this is plus 1. So this will be here. Minus 6 plus 4, that is going to be minus 2a square. Plus 3 minus 2 is going to be plus a. And this is 1. So this is, what is that? That is the LHS. So that is verified. Now look at here. This is 3x minus 2. So you will take this first term and this one. So 3x square divided by 3x. So this will be 1. So this is x. So now this into this is going to be 3x square. And this is going to be minus 2x square. Minus 2x. So here plus. So this becomes minus. So minus here becomes plus. So what is here? Plus 3x square and minus 3x square. That gets cancelled. Plus 10x plus 2x. So that is going to be plus 12x. And this is minus 8. So now this is plus. So you will take here plus. Now take this first term and this one. 12x and 3x. So this is going to be 4. So this is plus 4. So this into this is going to be plus 12x. And this into this is going to be minus 8. So plus becomes minus. Minus becomes plus. So this gets cancelled. So this gets cancelled. So answer is 0. So again, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So RHS is going to be 3x minus 2 into x plus 4 and the remainder is 0. So this will be 3x square plus 12x minus 2x and minus that is going to be 8. So here it is here. So 3x square is here. These are the like terms, plus 12 minus 2, that is going to be plus 10. And this will be the same. So whatever you got this one, this is the dividend. So which is this is the left hand side and this is the whole thing is the right hand side. So that is the LHS. So hence verified. Now look for here. So this we can also write here. This is because we have to look at the degree of it. This is cube, then comes square, and then just p, that is 1, and then the constant one. So I just rearrange it so it becomes easier to calculate. And here will be, because this is with a coefficient, so 4p will be at the start and plus 5 will be here. So now look at this first term and this first term. So 8p cubed divided by 4p. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So this is going to be 2. So it is going to be 2p square. So that is going to be 8p cubed. And this is going to be 10p square. So here plus, this becomes minus, plus becomes minus. So this and this gets cancelled. This and this gets cancelled. So this will be 12p plus 15. So now look at this first term and this one. So 12p divided by 4p. So this is going to be 3. So it is plus 3. So here, now look at here. 12p plus 15. So this is 12p plus this into this into this. So this is 12p plus 15. So plus, minus, plus, minus. So this gets cancelled. You have to always look at the new sign. Plus 15 minus 15, that is going to be 0. So again the RHS, because this is the divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this into this, that is 8p cube, 12p, 10p square, and this will be 15. This is here. So now what will you write here? P cube, 10p square, 12p, and this is 15, and this is the same as this dividend. So that is LHS. So hence it is verified. Now look at here. This is x cube minus 1 and this is x minus 1. So x cube minus 1, x minus 1. So now look at this first term and this one. So x cube divided by x. So what remains here? 2. So x square. So this is x square. Now this into this is over. So this will be minus x square. So x cube minus x square. So this is plus. So this will be minus. This is minus. So this is going to be plus. So here, look at the new sign. So this is going to get cancelled. So now what you can see here, there is no x square term. So what are you going to do? These are the new sign we are going to look at. So we are not going to write minus x square, plus x square always, the new sign. So plus x square, and then you will bring this minus 1 over here. Now again you will look at this one and this one. X square by x. So there is only one x. So this will be, because now this is plus, so this will be plus, and this is only 1x. Now multiply this and this one. So this into this into this, that is going to be x square minus x. So plus, so this is going to be minus, minus, so this is going to be plus. So this is going to get cancelled. Now again there here, you can see there is no x. So what will you write here? This new signs of x, and this is going to be minus 1. So this will be, see here, this is x minus 1, and this also is x minus 1. So what you need here, because now this is plus, so plus, so into 1. X minus 1 into 1, that is going to be x minus 1. So you will write here just 1 over here. So that is my x minus 1. So here is plus, so this is going to be minus, minus, so this is going to be plus. So this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, the remainder is 0. So here, divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this into this into this, and this into this. So that will be x cube plus x square plus x. And this is here. And now here minus x square minus x minus 1. So this minus x square minus x minus 1. So here x cube is here. Plus x square minus x square gets cancelled. Plus x minus x gets cancelled. Then this is minus 1. So this will be x cube, and this is minus 1. And which is same as this dividend. So this is the dividend. So that is LHS. So hence it is